Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. Baked pasta is a very famous traditional Italian dish. It is the first course or even main course, very substantial and delicious. The dish is very similar to lasagne. It's composed of bechamel sauce and Bolognese sauce, with the only difference that for lasagne thin layers of pasta are used, while for baked pasta a type of short pasta with large holes called tortiglioni. You will find recipes for bechamel sauce and Bolognese sauce, also called Ragù alla Bolognese, in our channel, and their links are both here in the video and also in the description of the recipe. To prepare baked pasta we needed 300 grams of tortiglioni pasta, 300 grams Bolognese sauce, 500 grams of bechamel sauce, 100 grams of grated parmesan cheese. Prepare the Bolognese sauce following this recipe. Prepare the bechamel sauce following this recipe. Boil the pasta until half cooked, half the time indicated on the package. Drain the pasta halfway through cooking. Add all the Bolognese sauce, 2/3 of the bechamel, and 2/3 of the grated parmesan cheese. Mix the ingredients well. Place on a baking tray. Sprinkle with a layer of grated parmesan cheese and pour over the remaining bechamel sauce. Sprinkle again with grated parmesan cheese. Place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. After this time, your baked pasta will be covered with a beautiful brown crust and a fantastic aroma will fill the kitchen. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.